Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 2, introduction to linear polynomials, exercise set 2.6, page number 36, question 1, part 2. The question says, draw the graphs of the following sets of lines. In each case, reflect on the role of A and B. They given us three equations. We have to draw the graphs of these three and we have to comment on the role of A and B. So we'll take the first equation, that is y equal to minus 6x. So first we will give some value for x, calculate the corresponding value of y. So let x equal to 0, then y will be equal to minus 6 into 0, that's equal to minus 6. So when the x coordinate is 0, the y coordinate is 0. This 0. Let x equal to 1, then y will be equal to minus 6 into 1, that's equal to minus 6. So when the x coordinate is 1, the y coordinate is minus 6. Next, let x be equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to minus 6 into minus 1, that's equal to plus 6. So it is minus 1 plus 6. We can put them in the box here. X, y, 0, 0, 1 minus 6, minus 1 plus 6. The next one, y is equal to minus 3x. So let x be equal to 0, then y will be equal to, it is 3x, minus 3x. It is not 36, sorry, it is minus 3x. So y is equal to minus 3 into 0, that will be equal to 0. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate also 0. Let x be equal to 1, then y will be equal to minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. So 1 minus 3. Let x is equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to minus 3 into minus 1, that's equal to plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3. So the box xy 0, 0, 1 minus 3, minus 1, 3. The next one, y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to minus x. So let x be equal to 0, then y will be equal to minus 0. That's equal to 0. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate also 0. Let x be equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 1. So that is 1 minus 1. Let x be equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus of minus 1. That's equal to plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. So when we put them in the box, so xy 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So now we will plot these 3 lines on the graph. So this is the graph paper, and we are going to plot the first one. The values are in this are 0 0 1 minus 6 minus 1 6. So first is 0 0, that is this point. The next one is 1 minus 6. X is plus 1, y is minus 6. So this is that point. The third value is minus 1 6. Minus 1 on x axis, 6 on y axis. So this will come somewhere here. This point is that one. So we have to join these 3 points, then we'll get the line. This is the first graph. The graph of the first line. So this line y is equal to minus 6x. So I write it here. Y equal to minus 6x. Then next one, y equal to minus 3x. That is values are 0 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 3. 1 minus 3, 1 and minus 3. This is that point. Next is minus 1 3, minus 1 3. So this point. So we have to join these 3 points. This is the second line. This is y is equal to minus 3x. So write over this y equal to minus 3x. Third one, y is equal to minus x. The values are 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. This is that point. minus 1 1 minus 1 1. So this is that point. So if we join these three, we'll get the line. 3 points, join it and get the line. This is the third line. Y is equal to minus x. So y is equal to minus x. So now we have drawn the graphs of all the three. Now we have to reflect on the role of A and B. So we can see here all the equations are of the form y is equal to minus ax. Here also the value of b is 0. B is equal to 0. So when value of b is 0, all these lines pass through 0. That means all these three lines cut the y-axis at 0, because the value of the b shows the y. The b shows the point where all the lines cut the y-axis. The next, the values are the equations are y is equal to minus 6x. The next one is y is equal to minus 3x. Y is equal to minus x. So the value of a is negative. When the value of a is a negative, so you can see here the value of a is minus. When the value of a is minus, they slope downwards. The line slope downwards this way. So this one we'll write it here. All the equations are of the form y is equal to minus ax. Here b is 0. B is equal to 0. So all the lines cut the y-axis at 0. Now the equations are y equal to minus 6x, y equal to minus 3x, y is equal to minus x. So when the value of a is negative, the lines slope downwards. Slope downwards. So here the part 2 of question 1 is solved. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.